Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make a special Italian coffee. All right, let's get started. Grab your eggs. I got fertile, organic, dark yolk eggs. I buy them from the chicken stand. The guy behind the counter said if you put a lamp on them in a couple months you'll have a chicken, so we'll see. I'll report back later. Anyway, separate the yolk from the white. Then you're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar because I got 3 yolks. And when you get that consistency, you know it's ready. We're going to do a dollop. That's right. My grandmother used to say, do a dollop in the cup. So that's what we're doing. You're just going to coat the bottom of the cup. And then, do you think it's over? It's not, because we're going to add some frangelico. And when I say a pinch, you don't want to be overkill. So a little bit of doop. Then we got the Craven's Coffee, good sponsors and good friends over at Craven's Coffee, making us a nice brew. Fill up the cup, give it a stir. You know, when I was a kid, I used to go over to my Nana's house across the street. And she never really had much food in the house, but she always had eggs, she always had sugar, and a Stella Dora cookie, shape of an S. If you know, you know. And we would sit there and we would drink coffee with a little Zabaglione in it. And I was only 12. Maybe I was a little young to do that, but you know what? You had a great time with your grandmother, and those are the things that you remember. And that's another recipe in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.